In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and open the workspace that contains the data you want to track. This is important because your dashboard will pull information directly from the boards inside that workspace. Once you're there, create or open the boards that already contain your KPI information. Before building the dashboard itself, take a moment to make sure your boards are properly set up. You'll want columns like status, date, numbers, timeline, or any other fields that relate to the KPIs you plan to measure. Having clean, organized board data at this stage will make the dashboard much more useful and accurate later on. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the plus button. From the options that appear, select Dashboard. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your dashboard. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify, especially if you plan to build more dashboards in the future. After naming it, choose the boards you want to connect to the dashboard. This step determines where the dashboard gets its data from, so make sure you select the boards that contain the KPI information you need. Then click Create Dashboard. Now that the dashboard is created, it's time to start adding visual elements. Click Add Widget, then select the Numbers widget. This widget is ideal for showing high-level metrics at a glance, such as totals, counts, or other important performance values. Configure it to display the KPI data you want to track so the most important numbers are immediately visible. Then click Add Widget again and select the Chart widget. Use your board data to configure the chart so you can visualize trends, comparisons, or progress over time. Charts are especially helpful when you want to turn raw data into something easier to interpret quickly. From there, add any additional widgets you need, such as battery, timeline, table, or workload widgets. Each one gives you a different way to view performance and activity. As you add them, configure each widget to use the appropriate board and columns so the information shown is relevant and accurate. Once your widgets are in place, arrange them on the dashboard in a layout that feels logical and easy to scan. Resize the widgets as needed so the most important information stands out and everything fits neatly on the screen. Finally, review the dashboard carefully to make sure your KPI data is displayed correctly. As work progresses, update the connected boards regularly. The dashboard should update automatically based on the board data, so it becomes a live view of your performance. Thanks for watching.